Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and I am Jagdeep Rosario. Today let us continue with 8th class chapter Playing with Numbers, NCERT or CBSE. So without any delay, let us start. Letters for digits. Here we have some puzzles. In these puzzles, letters given in place of digits and problem is to find out which letter represents which digit. Here, problem belongs to addition and multiplication. And there are certain rules we have to follow while doing such puzzles. First rule is, each letter in the puzzle stands for one digit and each digit must be represented by one letter. Second rule is, the first digit of a number cannot be 0. First puzzle, find Q in the addition. Here only one letter Q whose value we have to find out. Let us see in first column. Q plus 3 is equal to 1 in one's place. So Q plus 3 it should be 11. So that Q plus 3 is equal to 11 or Q must be 11 minus 3 is equal to 8. So let us substitute value of Q 318 plus 183 is equal to 501. So Q is equal to 8. Next puzzle, find A and B in the addition. Let us look at the puzzle. When we add A 3 times, we have to get A as the 1st digit. So it is possible if A is equal to 0 or 5. If A is equal to 0, the total sum will become 0. So that it is not possible. Let us take A is equal to 5. Plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 15. So that A is 5 and B is 1. Therefore, A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 1. Now let us look at third puzzle. Find the digits A and B. Now let us look at first column. 3 into A is equal to A as the unit digit. Now 3 into A is equal to A as the 1st digit. And it is possible if A is equal to 0 or 5. Now look at B. If B is equal to 1, BA into B3 will be then is equal to, now substitute the values, B is equal to 1 and A is equal to 0. So 10 into 13 is equal to 130. Or now let us substitute B is equal to 1 and A is equal to 5. BA is equal to 15 into 13. This is equal to 195. So that these both 130 and 195 are less than 500. So that let us take, if B is equal to 2, then BA into B3 is equal to, now let us substitute value of B in BA into B3 and A is equal to 0. So that 20 into 23 is equal to 460. So this is also less than 570. So that let us substitute B is equal to 2 and A is equal to 5. So that this is 25 into 23 is equal to 575. So that we got the value 5, 7 and 5 here. So that therefore A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 2 is our answer. Do this. Write two-digit number AB and the number obtained by reversing its digits is BA. Find their sum. Let the sum be DAD. That is AB plus BA is equal to DAD. AB is equal to 10A plus B and BA is equal to 10B plus A. This is equal to 10A plus A, 11A and 10B plus B, 11B. 11A plus B as 11 is common. This is equal to DAD. The sum A plus B cannot exceed 18 because the highest digit we can take is 9. That means 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. A plus B should be maximum 18 and DAD is multiple of 11. 11 and DAD is less than 11. A plus B is equal to 11 into 9 plus 9 is equal to 198. Therefore, let us write 3-digit multiples of 11. 110, 121, 132, 143, 154, 165, 176, 187, 198. So that now here DAD will match 1 to 1. Therefore, A plus B plus B, AB plus BA is equal to 121. This is equal to DAD. Therefore, D is equal to 1 and A is equal to 2. Now, exercise number 1. Find the values of letters in each of the following and give reason for the steps involved. First, now let us look at the first column. A plus 5, it should be 12. Now, A plus 5 is equal to 12 because 2 is in units place and therefore A is equal to 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. So when we take A is equal to 7, it will become 12 and 1 will be carried here. So that 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. Therefore, let us write here 3, A is 12, sorry, A is equal to 7 plus 25 is equal to 12, carry 1 here, 6. Therefore, value of A is 7 and value of B is 6 and B is equal to, therefore, B is equal to 6. Now next puzzle. Now let us look at the first column. A plus 8 should be 3 in units digit. That means that A plus 8 should be 13. We will write therefore A plus 8 is equal to 13 or A is equal to 5. Now we substitute the value of A is equal to 5 in the puzzle. So implies 45 plus 98 is equal to 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 4 14. Therefore, value of A is equal to 5, B is equal to 4 and C is equal to 1. Now next puzzle, let us see A into A is equal to A. It is possible only when A is equal to 1, 5 or 6. A into A is equal to A as the unit digit is possible only when A is equal to 1, 5 or 6. Now let us check one by one. A is equal to 1. First let us check. Now 1, A is equal to 1 into 1. This is equal to 11. So this is not possible. Next, let us try A is equal to 5. If A is equal to 1 and if A is equal to 5, then 15 into 5 is equal to 75. This is also less than 90. So that now let us try A is equal to 6. So that 16 into 6 is equal to 96. Therefore, here we have to take A is equal to 6. Therefore, A is equal to 6. Next puzzle. Now let us look at second column. This is possible to get 6 if A is equal to 2 or 3. So that this happens if A is equal to 2 or 3 and B is equal to 5 or 6. Now let us substitute the values in the puzzle. A, let us take first 2 and B, let us take 5. Now plus 37. This is equal to 5 plus 7, 12. Carry 1, 6. So that this matches with the answer. A is 2 and here A is equal to 2. Therefore, A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 5. Now next puzzle. In this puzzle, only one digit is there and remaining all letters. So that we have to find value of A, B and C. Now when we look at B into three is equal to B. This happens only if B is equal to 0 or 5. Now first let us substitute B is equal to 0 in the puzzle. Okay. When we substitute B is equal to 0, we will get here 0. So that we got 0 here. If we take 5, A is equal to 5, we will get 3 5s are 15. So that we got here CAB is equal to 150. So that therefore A is equal to 5, B is equal to 0 and C is equal to 1. Next puzzle. Here 3 letters given and only one digit is given and we have to find out A, B and C. Now here B into 5 giving number whose one digit is B, and this is possible only if B is equal to 0 or 5. Now let us take if B is equal to 5, then product B into 5 is equal to 5 into 5 is equal to 25. And 2 will be carried for the next step. We have 5 into A is equal to CA. And this is possible only if A is equal to 2 or 7. When B is equal to 5 and A is equal to 2 or 7, the multiplication we can do as below. A we will take 2 first, 2 and B is equal to 5 and into 5 is equal to CAB. It will become 125. And if A is equal to 7 into 5, $375. And if we take B is equal to 0, then B into 5 is equal to B. That is 0 into 5 is equal to 0 and there will be no carry for the next step. And in next step, A into 5 is equal to CA. And it is possible only if A is equal to 0 or 5. And if we take A is equal to 0, A into 5 is equal to CA will become 0. So that it is not possible. So that let us take A is equal to 5 only. So that the possible multiplication is as follows. Here we will take A is equal to 5 and b is equal to 0 into 5 is equal to 250. Therefore, possible values of A, B and C are A is equal to, first one, A is 2, 5 and 1. 5 and 1. Then second, 7, 5 and 3. Then 5, 0 and 2. And 2 respectively, A, B and C. Now next puzzle I will give you for your homework. Just work out and write me in comment. And if you have any doubt, I will clear it. Number 8. Now let us look at the first step. 1 plus b is equal to 0 and 0 is not possible. So that this should be 10. That means one digit will come to be 0. So that 1 plus b is equal to 10 or b must be 9. 10 minus 1 is 9. So that when we take b is equal to 9, here there will be one carryover. And a should be, b is 9. 9 minus 1 plus 1, 2. So that a should be 7. So that we can solve the puzzle like this. 7, 1, 1 and b is 9. So that 0, carry 1 here, so that 90. So that here a is equal to 7 and b is equal to 9. Therefore a is equal to 7 and b is equal to 9 are the values of a and b. Now let us go to next puzzle. Now let us look at first column. B plus 1 is equal to 8. That means that b should be 7. 7 plus 1, 8. So that let us write. Therefore, b is 7 plus 1 and this is equal to 8. If b is equal to 7, that means that a plus b is equal to 11. 1 will be carried to the next step. So that here 11 minus 7 should be 4. So that we will write 4 here, 4 and b already we have 7. Now when we add 7 plus 4, it will be 11 and 1 will be carried to the next step. So that we know that a is equal to 4 and 4 plus this is b is 7. So that 7 minus 4 it should be 3. Therefore the values of a and b are a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 7. Next puzzle. Here when we look at the second column, 2 plus a is equal to 0. That means that it should not be 0 and it will be 10. That means 2 plus A is equal to 10 or A is equal to 8. Now, let us write the puzzle. 1, 2, we'll write 8 and A is 8 and B, for B, 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. So that we'll write 1 here. That means that 8 plus 1, 9. 8 plus 2, 10. 1 is carry here. And 1 plus 6 plus 1 is 8. So that we write the values of A, B and C are values of A is 8 and B is equal to 1. I feel you have understood the concept of letters for digits. These are the puzzles. If you like my video, please press on like button, and if you have not subscribed my channel still, please subscribe my channel and press on bell icon so that you will get notification of my new videos. Let us meet in next video. Thank you once again.